بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. Uh, uh, Hello, students of semester 4. This is lecture number 3. Today we are going to touch some main points concerning the course. Let us start with the introduction. Uh, Today is Tuesday, the 12th of January 2021. We are going to focus on sentence transformation, different situations in present time, and the main points should be touched in this lecture are the following. First, we are going to flash back to subject, object, and possessive pronouns. You know, in English language, we have pronouns, and these pronouns sometimes you can find them in the form of subject, and they can be object or possessive. You know this. I always say you are you and the subject pronoun, and your is possessive, and you again is object. I is a subject pronoun, me is an object pronoun, and my is a possessive pronoun. You know this. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to differentiate between singular and plural, how to find the difference between singular verb or singular subject, plural verb, or a subject in plural form. The third point that should be touched in this section is going to be the techniques of transferring from a situation to another. We need to transfer, to change a sentence from a certain situation to another. Here are some examples of explanation, examples that tell us the technique of moving or transferring from a situation to another. Look at example number 1. Teachers are talking now. Most of our students, when we ask them, how do you know this sentence is in present continuous? Their answer usually is because I can see the adverb now. But now as an adverb can be dropped. Here it is put in the sentence because, or I mean, usually adverbs are found in sentences for beginners, for those who start learning English language. But there is another main reason. How do I know this sentence is present continuous? I have to look at the verb. You know, the form of present continuous tense is as follows. I need a subject plus a verb to be plus a verb ending in ing. So I can drop the adverb now. I can say teachers are talking, full stop. And this sentence is present continuous. How do I know? Because I have a subject, teachers, and a verb to be, are, and a verb ending in ing, that is talking. Move to example number 2. Teachers always talk about education. Here, the situation of this sentence is present simple. Teachers always talk. They are not talking now, but always they talk about education. And again, I can drop the word always. I can say teachers talk about education, and it is understood that teachers talk about education means there is a frequency of activities. Activities take place day after day or week after week. Anyway, there is a repetition of activities. Move to exercise to example number 4. Teachers have just talked about the exams. Here, this sentence is in present perfect. How do I know? Not because of the presence of the adverb just, but because I have a subject plus one of two choices, have or has, plus a verb in past participle. In this sentence, I can say teachers have talked about the exams. Remember, there is a slight difference between past simple and present perfect. In both cases, the activity happened. In the case of past simple tense, the activity happened and finished. But in present perfect, the activity happened but not totally finished. There is a result. I mean, there is something connects the present with the past. Teachers have just talked about the exams. Results may be that now I can see teachers, yes, talking about the exams, the activity already finished, but they still stand there. I can see them. And now they are collecting some papers in which maybe timetables and sorts of things. Let us move to example number 4. Teachers will talk tomorrow about the exams. The situation of this sentence is future tense. How do I know this sentence is in future tense? Not because of the presence of the adverb tomorrow, but because I have the structure of the sentence that is a subject plus will or shall, and nowadays usually they use will commonly, and plus a verb infinitive. Teachers will talk. And again, I can drop the word tomorrow. Tomorrow is put here because, or I mean for beginners. Teachers will talk tomorrow about the exams. This is for beginners. But for advanced learners, I can say teachers will talk about the exams. This is actually understood that the activity will take place in the future time. Let's move to the process of changing verb tense. Some writers usually avoid changing the verb tense within a sentence or within a paragraph or even when they write an essay. They decide earlier, from the beginning, whether they will use present, past, or future tense. And they stay to that choice until they finish their writing an essay or a paragraph or a topic or whatever it is. They stay to that choice, to the choice they have already choose, whether it is past, present, or future. But this is not the case always. Sometimes when I write an essay, I need to use all tenses, all different tenses. I mean, sometimes I need to flash back to the past. I need to talk about facts. This is simple. I need to talk about activities that have just happened, which is present perfect. And I need to jump to the future. So, however, there is a good reason to change verb tense in a sentence because it is not an easy process that you always stay talking or writing to a certain choice, to one choice. I mean to one situation. Sometimes the actions actually happen at different times. I think this is all what I can say now. Now to the corner of assignments. Here, this is assignment number 3. Change this sentence from present simple tense to continuous perfect and future tense. Our sentence is Nada often gets up early. It is clear that this sentence is in present simple. I need to change it to transfer it from simple to continuous to perfect and to